Hello, this is Last Garden Standing, and I'm just going to bring you a short video. It is raining cats and dogs here, so this is about all I can do. I wanted to get outside and do a few things for a video, but not yet. We are still in Utah spring weather, if you know what I mean. Here's some cucumbers that I have set up. I bought a nice round big pot. Put a little small cage in there, and it's raining. See, there's the small cage, and right in there, I hope you can see, is my little cucumbers, and they're doing good. They're being protected right now from the cold and high winds that are here, and they're doing good. They look perky. So there's one, and then here's another one. And I'm going to try doing cucumbers vertically in a pot. Let's see. I'm trying to show you. There's the other one. So they look okay. It's supposed to dive in temperature, so I am really hoping that they make it. I've got them protected as much as possible, and they look good so far. Over here, I've showed you these before, so let's just take a better look. We have peppers, we have tomatoes in here. They're still being protected. There's a tomato, or I mean a pepper, excuse me, down there. I hope you can see it. It looks pretty good, being protected. This plastic has been on them for a while now. There's one that looks pretty good. There you go. Just showing you a few. There's one too. Here, let's get a little closer. There it is. So they look good, being protected from this plastic. I just used cages and put trash bags right over it. It works. It's worked for me for a couple of years now. So I have peppers here, and I have tomatoes over there with my salvia, getting ready for the bees. Let's take a look at those if we can. Let's see. There's my tomatoes, so they look even better. One way to do a little greenhouse per plant. Strawberries are over there. The honeysuckles are coming out. And I've got to quit this video because it's raining. Until next time, share. I'll let you know in a future video if this works. I'm going to do things vertically more this year. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.